Hi and welcome to this tutorial on how to hide all your Facebook photos at once. Sometimes you may want to keep some of your Facebook photos private or hidden from certain people. Rather than being hiding them one by one, Facebook provides a feature that allows you to hide all your photos at once. So first, open your Facebook account and go to your profile page. Okay, once you're in your profile page, click on the Photos tab below your profile picture to access your photo albums. Now, you just have to click on the album you want to hide or select the See All option to view all your photo albums. Okay, now click on the three dot icon in the top right corner of the album cover photo and select Edit. Okay, in the album settings, click on the privacy drop-down menu and select Only Me to make the album visible only to yourself. Okay, finally, after tapping on the Only Me section, now you can click on the Done to apply the changes to the album. Yeah, that one with the red arrow. And that's it. You've successfully hidden all your photos in the album from public view. Repeat these steps for any other albums you wish to hide, okay? Remember, if you want to share your photos with specific people, you can create a private album and choose to share it only with those people, okay? This is a way to maintain your privacy while still sharing your memories with those who matters most. Thanks for watching and happy Facebooking. Bye!